When everything around seems to wobble, when your faith is dangling, look up and tell God I'm shaking, I'm not praying. Holy Spirit, plead on my behalf. Oh, don't give up, don't give up. No, no, don't give up. Wait on the Lord, your worries, weeping and wanting will fade away. Just believe when God says yeah, you just say